All right, what's up, traders? What's up, tycoons? Super excited for today's video on Pepe. Okay, ticker symbol PEPE. We're gonna break things down here, and we could be possibly setting up for this bullish five-wave structure, taking us up here to our bullish price targets. I'll go over those in a few seconds. Right now, we're testing the major retracement levels, which, as you can see, each time we've gotten a pullback and a retracement, we've held above our major retracement levels each time, and pushed higher for the next wave up. So this is a much larger five-wave structure that we're looking at right here. We just completed the initial five-wave structure I was looking at here, where we had a wave one up, two, then we got a wave three, wave four, and then wave five right here. We just hit those price targets. So now, I'm looking to see if we're actually going to be in a much larger one, two, three right here, and then four, and then five up to these price targets. So make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Remember, this video is not financial advice. Pepe is literally strictly just a meme coin. All right, it has no function or utility, and you have to keep that in mind, right? A lot of times these projects will pump massively, and then all of a sudden a rug pull comes out of nowhere. So you want to be prepared for that mentally and financially, and keep in mind all of the risks associated. Now, as I mentioned, it looks like we completed that five-wave structure after hitting our bullish price targets here. You can see our initial wave three, okay, came up to the bullish price targets and then pulled back, held the major retracement levels. Now, when I speak of the major retracement levels, these are what I'm talking about right here, okay? 38.2, 50%, and 61.8. These are the three most common and well-respected Fibonacci retracement levels, right? Using that right there. And you use these to identify trend continuation versus reversals, because nothing moves in a straight line up or in a straight line down, right? You get a move up, retracement, continuation higher, or you would get a move down, retracement, continuation lower. And after each pump, we've come down for a wave two, or a following wave, and we've held above our major retracement levels. Here, we bounced off of the 50% retracement level, and then we got a push up. We bounced off of the 38.2% retracement level, pushed up, and right now we're bouncing off of the 50% retracement level, right? So these are the major areas that I'm really paying attention to right now. If we were to come down and essentially consolidate and break below here and flip our 61.8 to resistance, that's how we're going to spot a potential reversal, right? And how Pepe would eventually start to see some type of a bigger move down rather than just a healthy retracement, right? All of these pullbacks have been healthy retracements so far, ultimately for the next wave higher, right? Now, sometimes you get higher periods of consolidation like we did over here. And sometimes, you get quick pullbacks and then a quick wave up. So, if we are going to get this five-wave structure up here, that possibly could take Pepe up to about 0.00. I don't even know how many zeros this is, guys, but it would take you around the 59634 level. And then above there, we have 6958. And then above there, we have 822. Okay, so these are essentially my next profit targets for Pepe if it continues to push up higher. And these are done and calculated using the Fibonacci extensions, right? You take your extension of your wave one and wave two, that'll give you your wave three targets. You can see we came up and hit the wave three targets right here. We hit the second one, we pulled back, and then you take your extension from your wave two to your wave three, all right, and that'll give you the wave four pullback, and boom, right there. So or I'm sorry, you take the extension of one and two, that gives you your wave three targets, and then you take the three and four, that'll give you the wave five. And so that's what we're doing right here, right? Is we're taking our wave three and our wave four, we're using the Fibonacci extensions, and that would give us our wave five target area up in here. So that's really how I come up with those levels, right? And we're doing, as I mentioned, we did a good job of bouncing off of the Fibonacci retracement level right here, showing signs of potentially getting this wave five. Remember, we could consolidate like we did over here for a very long time before we see the next strong push to the upside. So keep that in mind. And if we break below this level right here, which this is going to be 0.00001861. All right, if we end up flipping that to resistance from support, right, and we break below, retest, that's how we could potentially see a reversal and a big downwards move coming in Pepe. The way that the fibs work, again, you look for that trend continuation. But if you move up, retrace, and you start to consolidate and break through those levels, that's how you can spot a potential downside reversal. So that's one thing you want to be cautious of and pay attention to. If we take a look and we were from the levels it's at the time of this video, If we were to hit the first bullish price target, that's about a 113% move. The second bullish price target would put it at about 150% move. And if we hit the third bullish price target, that would put it at about a 195% move. Now, the drawdown level from where we are right now to our 61.8% retracement level is about 34%, meaning that this thing could still drop another 34% and it would actually be in healthy retracement territory. Again, if we break that level and we don't bounce off of there, so let's say, we start to consolidate here, we come down and we bounce off of here, then, we could get that move up, right? And that would, increase the profits a lot more, right? From the 61.8 to the first bullish price target is about 220%. To the second, that would be 274. And then to the third, that would be roughly about 340%. But if we end up coming down here and breaking through this level, right? And we come down, we break through here, break, retest, push lower, we could be in for a larger reversal to retest some of the previous lows we have on Pepe, down in this range over here. You can see we have this little bit of a range in through here. And we also have, some of our previous price targets, we had back in the day all the way down here. So, another big move likely is coming for Pepe. We just can't predict if it's going to be up or down, but we can at least try to come up with some bullish price targets, some areas where maybe you want to take profit if you're trading, and some areas where, maybe you want to cut your positions and cut your losses if we end up getting a possible reversal down to some of these areas. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Smash that like button, subscribe. Remember, none of this video was financial advice, just a free YouTube video breaking down Pepe and some of the different things around it. Remember, this token has no real utility or value. It's simply just a meme coin.